Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Gutowski. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to be trying out hair paint wax, which is kind of like dyeing your hair, but it's completely not permanent at all. It's basically just like a waxy substance that you put on top of your hair, so it kind of just like coats the hair instead of like actually dyeing the hair, and it's completely temporary. It washes right out. You know, it sounded too good to be true. So today we're going to be trying it out, and I'm going to be actually using the orange color. The only reason why I really wanted to try the orange is because first, I think orange is an amazing color to have on your hair. I think if I wasn't born with dark hair, I would want my hair to be orange or like a medium brown. I do love my hair how it is, but sometimes you need to change, am I right? I actually used a little bit on my hair when I was in Australia. So if you guys saw that vlog, you might have noticed that my hair was a little bit more, you know, browner or a little bit lighter, but I've only actually put enough in my hair that makes it look brown, kind of orange highlights. So today I wanted to do a video with me trying it full force, going full in, and coating my whole hair in hair paint wax, and hopefully we can get it looking to the perfect color. If you are new here, make sure to click subscribe to join the Gutowski fam, because I would love to have you join me on my journey and, you know, join the family because we're a lit time. And also, if you guys are not new, you might notice that I have a new filming setup going on right now. I'm kind of really just in the works of figuring out where I want my filming setup and kind of trying new things for every video that I film. This is how it's going to be for this video, but for my next video it's probably going to be a little bit different because I just ordered some new background paper, so we're going to be mixing it up with the backgrounds for the next couple of videos. And comment down below what you guys think of this filming setup so that I know, and also give me a big thumbs up if you like it. Also be sure to give this video a big thumbs up for, you know, natural hair. So yeah, with all that being said, let's get on to the video. So guys, first things first, I did see a couple of other videos of people using this hair paint wax. Most of them started with their hair wet or at least kind of damp, so I'm just going to use my spray bottle and, you know, get my hair a little bit wet. I did take a shower earlier this morning, but, you know, it's been a couple of hours, so it's pretty dried up. So I'm just going to go in with my handy dandy, you know, squirter. Why is it making that noise? Did you guys hear that? Well, guess there's a demon in it. Okay, I could feel the water dripping down my back, so I think that's good enough for, you know, the wetness level of my hair. Might be a little too wet now. Yeah, I kind of look like I just stepped out of the ocean, but, you know, it's fine. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that my hair is wet, we're ready. I'm gonna sadly have to take out my little barrette. Oh no. No. Is it stuck? Oh. Whenever I get these stuck in my hair, like, it's go time. It's literally stuck. Oh, come on. I'm not trying to lose this piece of hair. Oh my god. And we lost it. Really? For the next step, I'm going to be adding some product in my hair just because I want all my curls to make sure they're like defined and nice. We want to make sure our hair looks good before we put the wax on. If you guys have seen my curly hair routine, you know that I use the Coconut Hibiscus Kids Curling Cream from Shea Moisture. This is pretty much the only product I use on my hair, and I love it so much. Just makes my hair feel, you know, like a marshmallow. Just very nice and bouncy. I'm going to get a good amount and, you know, put it on my hands and run it through my hair. Probably need like a lot more than what I put on, but we can always build up. Ugh, I love this stuff so much. Also guys, can we just take a moment to look at that growth? Yes, my hair has been growing so much lately. It's like all the way down there. We love growth. This is how long it looks in the front. Yeah, it's kind of flat right now because there's product in it, but still growth. Okay, let's get on to the wax. So this is what the hair paint wax looks like, and I actually can confirm that on the front it shows directions. Apply a small to moderate amount of wax to damp hair and then style as usual. So I guess that's all we're gonna do. And guys, it does actually have a smell, like I'm not gonna lie. It kind of smells like, kind of like a men's deodorant. Yep, kind of giving me like a men's shaving cream vibe. But I wouldn't say it's too strong. Hopefully the smell goes away like after everything has done like drying on my hair and everything. I don't know guys, I guess I'll have to let you know at the end of the video. So it says to go in with a small to moderate amount. I'm just gonna go in with this much to begin with, so I guess we'll see how this goes. I also don't know how much this stains. I am wearing like a bathing suit top so that I didn't ruin like any of my clothes, but we're just gonna go in. it is getting orange. As you guys can see, it's definitely taking on some colors. So that's the one really good thing about this is it's not just like dye where it's not going to show up on black hair without you like bleaching your hair. Whatever hair color you have, this stuff will like do something to your hair, you know? Like it's going to look different for everybody, but it will do something to your hair. It's just a matter of how it looks on your different hair type. Like if I had blonde hair, this would probably be like orange right now. But since I have very dark hair, it's going to show up kind of like brownish, orangey auburn on my hair, which is also super cool. I can't believe how much different this is looking already. Like I said, guys, I've tried this before, kind of, like barely, but I've never actually completely like coated sections with it, so it's definitely looking more dramatic than I've ever seen it before. I also got this color specifically because I saw another girl do it with a similar kind of hair color like me, and I saw that it looked more brown than like orange. I really want to dye my hair, guys. I've only ever even attempted to dye my hair once, and I got highlights just before my senior year of prom, and they looked really good. It's been a couple years and I haven't been able to get them done again. I just haven't went in to, you know, go get them done by somebody, so they're kind of faded. But I really would like to dye my whole head. It's just I'm kind of scared, you know. It's a big commitment, and I've just, you know, I really do love my natural hair, and I'm scared that, like, you know, if I go to the wrong person or something, then maybe my curl pattern won't come back, and there's just like a lot of, you know, mishaps that could happen with that. So definitely this hair paint wax is gonna save me, you know, in the long run for until I'm ready. Do you guys see the color of my hair? How it just changed within that couple of minutes? It's not done yet. The only thing about doing this myself is I can't really see the spots that I'm missing that good. Like, look, that's all black. But I guess this is how people dye their hair at home, and like how they always miss spots and it's all splotchy. So at least this isn't permanent, guys. That would be very bad. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe my hair is gonna be brown. I'm so excited. Oh no, oh no, oh no you don't. My camera's falling and I'm getting hair paint wax everywhere and everything I touch, and it's on my camera now. Okay. I'm gonna take a little intermission because my camera is sliding and I have hair paint wax everywhere, so I'll be right back. I can't even cover the camera, but okay, I am back. I literally knocked over like one little thing with my elbow and everything, you know, hit the fan. So, you know, that was fun, but we're back. And I forgot to put the towel back on when I started putting the wax on. Whew. After all that, let's get back to putting wax on my hair. On the bright side, it is starting to look good. Kind of sticky right now, but you know, we'll sort that out later. Right now, I just want to focus on coating every single part of my hair in this wax. I have too much hair. Okay guys, so after a long time of me putting wax all over my head, my hair is finally done. I think it looks so good. I love how the color turned out. It looks, you know, very brown and auburn-y, which is definitely just how I wanted it. It was just what I was looking for. And this is pretty much how I want my hair to be naturally. Like, I want to dye my hair this color. So, you know, I got it for number one, a cheaper price. Number two, it's not permanent at all. It completely washes out, so it's temporary. And also one of the reasons why I haven't dyed my hair yet is I do really like my hair really dark for, you know, sometimes when I wear some different outfits, I feel like it looks really good with dark hair, but I also feel like other outfits I would look better with, like, you know, brown hair. So this is definitely the perfect like happy medium in the middle where sometimes I can have brown hair and then I just wash it out and then I'm back to my normal dark hair. So this is how my hair looks after putting all the hair paint wax in it. It's a little bit transferry right now. I haven't washed my hands, as you guys can see. They are very orange and very, you know, shiny. It transferred a little bit onto my bathing suit. Just a little bit right here as it's just laying on it. I definitely think if I was wearing like a white t-shirt or, you know, maybe a different t-shirt, it might transfer a little bit more. So yeah, that's just what you guys gotta keep in mind. I think the wax definitely needs to set a little bit into my hair for it to not transfer on anything. Like, probably still has a little bit of drying left to do, and then it shouldn't transfer that easily. That's what I'm hoping for. But yeah guys, this is how my hair looks like just right after I did it. What do you guys think? How do I look with this color hair? I think it looks so cute. For my final review of this product, we have to settle a couple of, you know, the questions that we were kind of thinking about at the beginning of this video. For one, does it still stink? Or at least have a strong smell? I could barely smell that kind of like men's deodorant, men's shaving cream smell that I was smelling at the beginning when I just smell it like in the pot. Yeah, the pot is definitely stronger than when it's on your hair. Yep. Just smells like pretty much nothing. So that's definitely a good check mark for that. Number 2, does it stain? Not stain, but transfer. Does it transfer? I would definitely say it transferred a little bit onto my bathing suit. I can see a little bit of the orange on my bathing suit. As far as my skin just looks a little bit more glowy and like shiny, which is definitely from the wax, but it doesn't look orange at all. So that's good. And for number 3, we're definitely gonna have to talk about how it feels on my hair right now. It is feeling a little bit crunchy. I'm not gonna lie, like up here in this region. That might be because I put too much product in this area. I'm pretty sure it is because I can feel just like where it feels more stiff. I honestly really just think that's because I put too much product up here and then more of like the larger parts of my hair. I was kind of just spreading it around and kind of just fluffing it out more thinly. Definitely less product got in this back region than up here in this front. But yeah, I would definitely say beware with putting too much product in your hair because it will get more stiff and crunchy and like you're not going to be able to really put your fingers through your hair at all. And if you try to put a comb in it, your comb is probably going to break. But as for the parts back here where I put less product, it feels nice on my hair. It doesn't feel too heavy or anything like that. It just pretty much feels like there's some product in my hair and that's about it. But yeah, obviously next time I do that, I am going to add less product in the front here because when you put too much product, you know, it doesn't feel too good. Number 4, does it do anything to my curl pattern or like to change up or ruin my curl pattern in any way? No, it does not. If anything, I think it helps define my curls even more, almost like a gel or like curl defining product would. And also this product has kind of like a metallic-y kind of look to it, so I feel like that also helps make the look of defined curls even more because the curl of your curls is just more detailed. It looks like I took the sharpening tool in the editing app and, you know, just sharpened up my hair a little bit. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what it makes it look like. But yeah guys, this is how my hair looks and that is how my hair feels, and I think that's all I wanted to cover. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video and I hope you guys liked it so much. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up to let me know and to show all your support. Definitely don't forget, if you guys are new, make sure to click the subscribe button down below to join the Gutowski fam and you know, be a part of the room cleanup. And we're almost at 100K. Like, you could be a part of me hitting 100K. And that would be so awesome if you guys helped me get to 100K because we're so close that it's getting scary. So yeah, subscribe down below and join the fam. Also be sure to comment down below if you guys were to ever dye your hair or to change up your hair in any way. That might be cut it, dye it, shave your hair off bald. Let me know down in the comments either like what you would want to do to your hair, what color you would want to dye it. Even if you guys aren't like trying to do anything to your hair anytime soon, just like, you know, let your imagination run wild. I would love to know what you guys would like to do with your hair. And also let me know in the comments if you guys would ever try anything like this hair paint wax. Also be sure to click the bell to turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I post because I've actually been doing premieres recently for all my videos, which basically YouTube Premiere, all the difference is it lets you know when I'm about to upload and I actually get to live chat with you guys and I've been really loving it, you know, seeing you guys and how you react to the video, talk to you guys and, you know, to give you guys shout outs and everything during that time. So definitely make sure to click the bell to turn on my notifications so that you guys can premiere with me. Also don't forget to check the description box because all the information on this product will be linked down below. This video is not sponsored, I forgot to say that. I just really wanted to try this product out. As I said, I really want to dye my hair brown, but you know, I'm kind of scared to do it. But yeah, this was just a really fun video to do to show you guys, you know, how this works and how it worked out for me. But yeah, all the information will be linked down below in the description, and I'm also going to put some videos of other people I've seen use this product just in case you guys want to go on after my video and, you know, kind of research it more. I'll link some down below for you guys to watch. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!